This is my 2021 Ram 1500. Today I'm going to install some grommets in the bed that will let me convert that bed divider into a bed extender. If you have a bed utility package for your Ram, it comes with a whole bunch of accessories like bed rails, lights, and one of that accessory is that bed divider that is straight in front of the camera. Now that bed divider can also be used as a bed extender. For that you need a couple of extra grommets to install in the bed. I do not know why Ram doesn't provide that, so now I'm going to install those accessories. For this you need a set of grommets. I purchased these from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description down there. And a T50 Torx, and depending on what your torque setup is, you either need a Torx driver or a ratchet, and you need a trim removal tool to remove these clips. We have 4 of these in the bed. We have to remove these to install those grommets. First step, remove the pop clips. I have some plastic clip removal tools, so I'm going to try them. You can even use a flathead screwdriver. Wow, these things are pretty tight. Oh, it flew across the garage. I gotta go fish that one later maybe. There's no space here. Oh, this thing broke. These clips, they're sun beat and they're very brittle at this point. This one decided to stay in, folks. That's a little complication, not expecting. Let's see how the 4th one comes out. Move, move, move. Pardon my cat, folks. No. He's gonna wanna have a bite at my hand when I try to do this. You wanna play? See, it's taking longer than I expected. These clips are in pretty good. You need maybe a little bit more sharper tool. came out nicely. That fell between the doors. So now all the clips are out. Took longer than expected. See, out of 4 of these plastic clips, I think maybe 1 came out right. I even doubt that one's even reusable, just because they're outside and they're very brittle. Especially this one right here, it's stuck in here. So now this panel is loose, so I can pull this panel out a little bit and use my needle nose pliers to clip this, maybe push it out the way. So I think that might work. That works. Okay, so now I think we can install the grommets. I just put the bed divider as a bed extender to mock up where these grommets go. As you can see, the orientation of it, and you can notice that lock symbol on the top of it. That's where the oblong grommet will go, that will rotate and lock itself, and the bottom are the round grommets. Now I will take this out and start installing the grommets. Now I'm going to install the grommets as I've shown before. That's tight enough. I'm not tightening it too much because it might crack this plastic trim. Yep, that's good enough for me. Now I'm going to install the second one on the top. Okay, yes, that's it. It's pretty tight. I'm going to repeat the same on the other side. I have finished installing grommets on both sides. One thing to note, as you tighten the grommets a little bit more, especially the top ones, you will see the plastic trim bowing out slightly. So that might be an indication where you need to slow down or maybe even back out a little bit. Just a suggestion. Now I'm going to test the bed divider by installing it. Okay, so I just installed the bed divider as bed extender on the new grommets. I did not lock the grommets yet on the top. So this is how it fits so far. So I'm going to try to lock the grommets, see how easy it is to do that.